Alright guys, what's going on? Justin from 79th Productions, and bringing you another video today to talk to you about a project that I'm going to be starting. I'm going to be trying to get this thing done by Import Alliance. Not 100% sure, but we're going to try to knock it out. So it's the last weekend in March, and this car is a project that I picked up from my brother. He sent me the money to pick it up. He wants me to build it for him, so we're going to bring another car on the channel, and I'll show you what it is right now. So here it is, guys. It's a 1999 Honda Civic, and yeah, we're gonna build this thing. It's in really great shape for the year. There's not too much body work that needs to be done, a couple of small things, but yeah, so let me show you guys the interior. Well, let me walk around the driver's side, but I need to change this back bumper. Someone put that exhaust on, that dual tip exhaust, and cut the bumper up, and you know, it just looks bad, so we're gonna change that. We're gonna put the stock style tail lights back on, and yeah, so I need to fix the window. It's off track, and that driver side door handle doesn't work. But here it is, guys. The interior is really clean. Could probably freshen up the carpet, clean it up a little bit, but for the most part, the interior looks pretty good. So yeah, this is a 99 Civic, and here's the engine. It's a D16 Y8. I am going to need to do something about this. I don't exactly know 100% when I'm gonna pull it out, but I'm actually gonna start it really soon because got to get it ready for Import Alliance. But let me show you guys. I got the car cheap, but I don't know if you can see it down there. Let me try to move this light out of your way, but get it in there. But yeah, there you go. There is a rod sticking out the side of the block, so I need to swap out the engine.
Talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Never say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
Alright guys, so we got the engine out, and here it is. It's the D16 Y8, and here's the problem with the engine. We got a rod sticking through the block. It's a pretty big hole, not repairable, so we're gonna pick up another engine.
fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? You a fool's gold. Yes, I did. And I did it all for love. Yes, I did it all for love. Oh, they say fools believe in it, so I guess I'm one of them. Oh, don't you know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? You a fool's gold. Yes, I did.
Alright guys, here we go. It's all finished, dried up, looks pretty good. I can't complain. It came out great. This is Summit Racing Pure White single stage paint with the clear coat on top of it. High solids clear coat. It looks awesome. The shine looks great. I've let it, it's dried for about a week. It's been in the shop for a week, 2 weeks. So I've already started hooking up the brake lines and putting everything back together. Got a long way to go, but got to remove some tape and stuff. But other than that, this thing it's there. Now, we got overspray on this, but that's fine. I'll clean it up and clean all of that, take care of that stuff before we put an engine in. But that's it, guys. Summit Racing Pure White. It looks awesome. But I'm going to wrap the video up here. Before I do, I want to give a big shout out to my buddy Jesse. I'll link his Instagram right here. He helped me paint it, so it's always great when you have help, and he's been a lot of help, so big shout out to him. And also, if you guys want to help support the channel, you can pick up t-shirts or vinyl decals. The link will be in the description. And thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at 79th Productions. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. God bless you guys.